welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is always Fred Moa. Make sure you have subscribed to this channel and like, comment about any song that you want me to teach you how to play. So today I'm going to teach you on how to play a song called Sadaka yangu, kwako, Mungu, and hope this song will be a blessing and also you will enjoy the lesson. So without wasting our time, let's get started with our lesson. So we are going to start with our melody as usual. So guys, we are going to start like this. So this song we are going to combine our melodies with the coda so that you can be able now to play an advanced Catholic song. So we are starting on this note. Remember, we are playing our song on G major scale, and we are going to find our tempo also, and I'm using the bright organ. And then we can find our dual. Let me find our dual. I'm using what? I'm using a piano called harp C. It's called harp C, yeah. So let's get started. So we are going to start like that. Like that. Play like that. Yeah. I know you have seen the melody. Yeah. And then and then when you combine, you see? So let me repeat the process. So we are starting. And then after that we go to our second part. We are starting on this that inversion now, or let's call it the second inversion, because we have the root, first inversion, second inversion. So we are starting with the second inversion. This, just hold these three notes. If you don't know what is inversion, I'll teach a lesson about inversion also. So we start from So we are starting from da 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 da. break the chords. So the chords is like, we start from this second inversion, we go to D, we go to first inversion, third inversion, D, first inversion. So da 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 da. And then the second, we go to second inversion, we go to D, we go to C, and then back to second inversion. So play like this. Like that. So when we combine up to there, we are going to play like this. So after that, that's when we are going to combine with our right hand now. So we are going to start. As I tell you always, the right hand doesn't have a lot of work to do. You just have to place very simple on your right hand. Just do a lot of work on your left hand, right hand, and then your left hand is going to play just the bass. So and your piano will be sounding very good. So we start again. So after that, we are going to play with our beat. Just tap to find the tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's use a tempo of 75. thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and remember to check my other YouTube videos, and I know they will be very helpful, guys. And don't forget to comment if you have any song you want me to teach here on my YouTube channel, and share this video widely to your friends and relatives. My name is always Fred Moa. Subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you guys, and God bless you.